Hi guys, Jai Sri Ram. How are you? Let me start Grok. Hi Grok.
Hey Ravi, what's up?
How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing good. Today is a good sunny day.
Nice. Love a sunny day like that. Anything fun planned?
Actually I was thinking about to have discussion of Sandisk with you. Well, I want to know regarding Sandisk, what is it doing and why there is a bull run on Sandisk for past 6 months. What is happening there?
Sandisk spun off from Western Digital last year, makes NAND flash memory and SSDs, and it stocks up over 800% in 6 months, thanks to massive AI data center demand, causing shortages and price hikes. Strong earnings, NVIDIA CES comments on storage bottlenecks, and analyst upgrades like Bernstein's $580 target are fueling the bull run.
How many products does Sandisk have?
Sandisk offers dozens of products across categories like SSDs, such as the new Optimus, Optimus GX, and Optimus GX Pro lines for consumers and gamers, plus SD cards, micro SD cards, compact flash, and USB flash drives. They don't list an exact total, but focus on flash memory for consumer, enterprise, and gaming use.
How much is the enterprise revenue for Sandisk?
Sandisk's fiscal year 2025 revenue, ending June 27, 2025, was about $7.4 billion. Trailing 12 months through early fiscal year 2026 is around $7.8 billion, with strong growth from AI demand.
$7.8 billion. Okay.
Got it.
How much increased from last quarter?
Sandisk's Q1 fiscal year 2026 revenue was $2.31 billion, up 21% from Q4 fiscal year 2025's $1.9 billion. That's about $407 million more.
I see. So is it justifying his current growth in the stock?
Yes, the revenue jump and strong guidance tie right into the stock's explosive growth. It's up nearly 50% year to date in 2026 on surging AI data center demand for NAND flash, tight supply, and rising prices. Analysts mostly rated a buy, with targets up to $580, though some see it as pricey now.
What is the forward PE ratio for Sandisk?
Sandisk's forward price to earnings ratio is currently around 32, based on today's stock price, near $410, and fiscal year 2026 earnings estimates. Some analyses peg it between 21 and 29 for next year, reflecting expected EPS growth from AI demand.
And how much was trailing PE?
Sandisk's trailing 12 months PE ratio is around negative 31, or at loss, due to recent losses with TTM EPS at about negative $12. That's why investors focus more on the forward PE amid expected profitability turnaround.
Oh, so from negative forward PE to positive negative trailing PE to positive forward PE, is it really justified?
Yeah, the shift from negative trailing PE due to past losses from NAND oversupply and spin-off costs to a positive forward PE looks justified by exploding AI data center demand, NAND shortages driving price hikes up to double digits, and Q1 revenue up 23% year over year, with Q2 guidance for even stronger EPS around $3. Analysts expect over 45% revenue growth in 2026, with gross margins hitting 41 to 43%. So the market's betting on that sustained turnaround.
Okay, how a company gets a negative trailing P? Can you please explain in a simple term?
Sure, simple terms. Trailing PE is negative when a company's total profits over the last 12 months are losses. Expenses beat revenue, so earnings per share is negative, like Sandisk's negative $12 from prior NAND oversupply slumps and 2025 spin-off costs. Divide stock price by that negative number, and PE goes negative too. It's common in cyclical tech during recovery phases.
I see.
Cool? Got it? Anything else on Sandisk or stocks?
No, Sandisk, I'm still thinking what it is it giving any product to Nvidia for any of the AI development, or how many dollars in selling to Nvidia?
No direct confirmed sales dollars to NVIDIA. Sandisk doesn't break out individual customers, but they're supplying certified Gen 5 enterprise SSDs and high bandwidth NAND for AI data centers, with NVIDIA's Vera Rubin GPUs needing over 1,000 terabytes per server. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's recent CES comments on storage shortages boosted Sandisk stock 27%, hinting at strong indirect ties via hyperscalers building AI factories.
What other companies gained from the Jason Huang's comment?
After Jensen Huang's CES comments on AI storage shortages, memory stocks surged. Sandisk up 27%, Western Digital up 17%, Seagate up 14%, and Micron up 10%. All hit record highs that day on expectations of NAND and DRM price hikes of 30 to 70% in early 2026.
Okay, why Micron increase only 10% while rest of it plus 15%?
Micron's 10% gain was more modest because Huang's comments focused heavily on NAND flash storage shortages, like for Sandisk core products, while Micron specializes more in DRM and high bandwidth memory, which got less direct emphasis amid already sky-high HBM pricing. Plus, Micron's larger market cap and 240% run-up in 2025 meant less room for explosive moves compared to pure-play NAND peers like Sandisk, Western Digital, and Seagate.
Okay, out of these four companies that you mentioned for storage, which one is the largest one in revenue and the earnings?
Micron has the largest revenue by far. Its fiscal first quarter 2026 hit a record $13.64 billion, up 57% year over year, while Sandisk's Q1 was $2.31 billion, Western Digital's around $2.82 billion, and Seagate's $2.63 billion. For earnings, Micron leads too with blowout profits from high bandwidth memory demand, though Sandisk's turning profitable fast post-spinoff. All are riding AI storage tailwinds into 2026.
Is Sandisk also selling high bandwidth memory, HBM?
No. Sandisk focuses on NAND flash memory and SSDs, not traditional high bandwidth memory like HBM, which is DRAM based and led by players like Micron, Samsung, and SK Hynix. They're developing high bandwidth flash a NAND alternative to HBM for AI inference with 8 to 16 times more capacity. But it's not HBM and still in development, with samples expected mid-2026.
Oh, I see. So basically you are saying no one has started yet on the HBM as a use case. It's still yet to deliver.
No, that's not quite right. NVIDIA's Rubin platform, announced at CES, already uses flash storage, like 16 terabytes of NVMe SSDs per GPU, via their Inference Context Memory Storage platform for KV cache, shipping partners in the second half of this year. Sandisk's HBF is still pre-production, with first samples targeted for the second half of 2026, and inference devices in early 2027. So it's not delivering yet, but aligns with the trend.
Now my question is not regarding SSDs. Question is specifically regarding HBM, high bandwidth memory. Is NVIDIA using it in any of the product currently?
Yes, NVIDIA's current products, like the H100, H200 from Hopper, and Blackwell's B100, B200, and B300, heavily use HBM3E, with up to 192 gigabytes per GPU at 8 terabytes per second bandwidth, shipping now in DGX and HGX systems. Rubin will upgrade to HBM4 later this year, but HBM is already core to their AI lineup.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you, Grok.
You're welcome, Ravi. Happy to chat anytime. Take care.
Thank you. Bye. Bye guys. Jai Sri Ram.